In this tutorial, I'll show you how to generate transparent video with subtitles for selected subtitle lines in Subtitle Edit. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I'm going to open up a video here that I do have subtitles for. There we go, File, Open Keep Video, select the subtitle, open it as well. Now, the reason why I'm doing this is, let's assume you're working in an application like Camtasia and you want to have, or you do have some lower third graphics right here. Obviously, the subtitles or captions are going to actually obscure the lower third graphics. Let's assume you want to bring the subtitles right here, up here. So we have two instances here, the first caption here, and then the third one. So in Subtitle Edit, I do have this one and the third one. Those are my target captions to export as a transparent video for the selected lines. Now, because I do have this ready, what I can do is adjust the positioning. Just right click on this alignment, top center, so that this goes up there. And then the same happens for this one. Right click, alignment, top center. If we just double click on this, we have it up there. So that's really good. Now next up, we just come to, or just click on one subtitle here and then press on Control if you're on Windows, and then click on the other one. So you have two selected lines. Then go to Video, Generate Transparent Video with Subtitles. And by default, because you've already selected the two lines, you'll see the option Selected Lines Only. So all you need to do now is just tweak the different settings that you'd like to tweak here to your own liking. Now, I'll click on Generate and then choose my saving folder. Let's click on Save. Open Container. Just double click and see. So you see your subtitles, the beginning one there. The second one is missing because it's not selected. And then the third one, it's as we want it to be. So when I come back to an application like Camtasia, where I have my video and so on and so forth, now I did a mistake. So let me redo that. And the reason is, if I just come here and import media, this is an MP4. For some strange reason, Camtasia is not going to recognize this. Yeah. So what we need to do is, let's just delete that. Come back to Subtitle Edit. And then when we come to Generate, we choose the save as type as MOV. Click on that and then click on Save. There we go. Let's click OK and close this. Go back to Camtasia and then we import media, and then we're going to make sure we select the .mov video file. Click on Open. Should be the second one. No, it's the first one. Right click, add to timeline at playhead, and if I play this
in this tutorial,
so you can already see we have that. So in Camtasia now, we can easily now readjust. Just cut this by pressing on S, come here, press on S, delete that. So when we play this,
in this tutorial,
our lower third graphic will not be obscure.
I'll show you how to use the script's eye contact feature to simulate eye.
And then this as well. Split here. Then I just split here again. Make sure this comes back so that it aligns properly. Delete this.
Eye contact with.
So if you had some lower third graphics or text, it's easy for that to be seen, and your subtitles to be seen as well. So that is how you can use Subtitle Edit to generate transparent video with subtitles for selected lines. Super simple, super easy. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.